last year Vicky got married to Katrina, or last year Vicky got married with Katrina. Which one is correct? If you know the correct answer, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you don't, let me say. Actually, the beginners usually make this mistake. They are just confused which one is correct between these two sentences. So, in this video I am going to tell you. The correct sentence is, may I say? Okay. The correct sentence is, last year Vicky got married to Katrina. Yes, this one is the correct one. Don't use with preposition after the verb marry. Okay. Always use the preposition to after the verb marry. For example, he got married to her, or Ram got married to Sita. Similarly, Vicky got married to Katrina, not with. Never use with preposition after the verb marry. Okay. I hope that this video is knowledgeable for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up because it motivates me to upload a lot of videos like this. And if you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel iconicindra and improve your English with me. See you soon in another next interesting helpful video. Till then, enjoy English learning.